Have you tried using Nearpod and found it challenging to upload your Google Slides presentations? On this screencast, we will take a look at one of the more exciting extensions Google offers for use with Chrome. I am Jeremiah Dollins, teacher on assignment here at Colton High School. Today, we will install and use Nearpodize. Before we can use this excellent extension, the first thing we have to do is talk about what extensions are. You see, extensions are simple programs that you install into your Google Chrome browser in order to modify or enhance what Chrome can do for you. Now, for a teacher, this is exciting. There seem to be extensions for everything. If you look up here at the row of extensions on my browser window, you'll see icons for extensions like Digo, which allow you to annotate websites, or the Google URL shortener, which allow you to take long addresses and compress them, or the Google Docs Quick Create, which allows you to open up a brand new Google Doc without having to go back into your drive. But for today, what we're going to take a look at is how to install Nearpodize. So let's begin. The first step on your Chromebook is to open up your web store. You simply do this by clicking on the magnifying glass icon in the lower left corner of your frame. A Google menu will pop up on the screen. Select the web store app. This will open up the web store site, which is where you go to download apps and extensions for use with your Chromebook. In the search bar up here on the left-hand side, all you have to do is type in Nearpodize. That's spelled Nearpodize, and then select Enter. Once you do that, it will open up the Nearpodize extension here, so that way you can then put it into your browser. Simply click where it says Add to Chrome. That will bring up this question. Do you want to add it? Well, of course I do. So click Add Extension, and then that will download it into your browser window. So now, as you can see up here at the top of the screen, you now have Nearpodize. It's been added. So all we have to do is open up a PowerPoint presentation through our Google Slides, and we're off. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, and I'm going to select this particular slides presentation, which is on documentary films, one that I used for my film studies class a while back. Going to wait for a couple moments for it to open up. It's about 11 or 12 slides, so it's going to take just a few moments. It's got some images in it. And once it's ready to go, all we have to do is click on the Nearpodize button up here in the right-hand corner. As you can see, it takes a little while to load. That's how it usually works on these Chromebooks, so you just got to be a little bit patient here. But yeah, what the Nearpodize app does is that it basically takes all of these slides and it immediately puts them into a Nearpod presentation. And from there, you can start adding all of the bells and whistles that Nearpod provides for you. Oh, good. My slides are now finally loading. Yeah, there's a lot of images here, as you can see. All right, so all you got to do now is go ahead and click up here where it has the Nearpodize link. That's going to open up a sign-in screen. Select Google, because that's what we're going to be opening with. And as you can see, it now immediately goes to Nearpod. In a few moments, you're going to see a screen that's going to have a pop-up, and it's going to automatically start uploading. So this screen should turn gray. And then right here in the middle, where I'm circling, you will see a little icon that's going to show a transfer of files. So here's the Google Slides, here's the Nearpod, and here's your status bar. So as you can see, it's going through the process slowly, one slide at a time, putting them all into Nearpod as flat image files. And then once that's done, everything should appear on the screen. There we go. It's done. So now all of the slides have been added in, and then all I have to do now is I can start adding in all of my different quiz slides and fill in the blank slides and draw slides and anything that I want to use to check for my student understanding. So this should be enough to get you started using Nearpod and Google Chrome extensions. As usual, if you have any questions, please contact me at extension 2498 or email me at jeremiah_dollins@cjusd.net. So now it's time to get started building those great Nearpod lessons.